5 reasons you're always tired, and why it's not just being busy. If you constantly feel tired no matter how much you rest, you're not alone. Many women normalize fatigue, thinking it's just part of adulthood. But persistent exhaustion is often a signal, not a personality trait. Do you wake up tired even after 7 or 8 hours of sleep? Do you rely heavily on caffeine to get through the day? Do you feel mentally drained by mid-afternoon? If that sounds familiar, your body may be trying to tell you something deeper is going on. By the end of this video, one of these 5 reasons may surprise you, especially because it's something many women overlook completely, and it's not the one most people expect. So, make sure you stay until the end. Why this matters. Fatigue is common, but it isn't always normal. Occasional tiredness is normal. Chronic daily fatigue is different. When exhaustion becomes your baseline, it's worth exploring why. Let's go through 5 common but overlooked reasons. Reason number 1: low iron. Iron plays a critical role in carrying oxygen through your blood. Without enough iron, your body struggles to deliver oxygen efficiently to tissues and muscles. Less oxygen equals less energy. Why it's common. Women are especially at risk due to monthly blood loss, pregnancy demands, and sometimes poor dietary intake or absorption issues. You can even have low iron stores before full anemia develops. Signs of low iron. Iron-related fatigue often comes with other subtle signs such as feeling cold easily, lightheaded when standing, mental fog, or shortness of breath that affects focus. Reason number 2: poor sleep quality. It's not just about how long you sleep, it's about how well you sleep. You can be in bed for 8 hours and still wake up exhausted if your sleep cycles are disrupted. Some sleep disruptors are blue light exposure from your phones, laptops, or TVs, stress hormones, irregular schedules, or even undiagnosed sleep conditions such as sleep apnea can affect restorative sleep. Reason number 3: dehydration. Even mild dehydration can affect circulation, brain performance, and energy levels. Many people underestimate how little water they actually drink. Signs you're dehydrated: headaches, dry mouth, fatigue, low concentration. If you feel sluggish, have headaches, or struggle with focus, hydration could be part of the issue. So far, which one sounds most familiar to you? Low iron, poor sleep, or dehydration? Let me know in the comments. I will read them all. Reason number 4: chronic stress. Chronic stress keeps cortisol levels elevated. Over time, this can disrupt sleep, drain mental energy, and create persistent exhaustion. The hidden drain. Mental load equals physical fatigue. Emotional stress and mental overload can feel just as draining as physical exertion. Your nervous system needs recovery too. Before we get to the final reason, please pay close attention, because this one is commonly dismissed, but it plays a major role in energy levels, and many people don't realize it until they test. Reason number 5: nutrient deficiencies. Iron isn't the only nutrient linked to energy. Vitamin B12, vitamin D, magnesium, and even folate can all impact how energized you feel. Remember earlier when I mentioned that one of these reasons surprises most women? For many, it's not stress. It's actually a nutrient imbalance that's been building quietly. Why testing matters. Guessing isn't the answer. Testing provides clarity. Instead of randomly supplementing, blood tests can provide direction. Testing helps identify what's actually going on beneath the surface. Exhaustion shouldn't be your identity. Being constantly tired isn't a personality trait. It's often a sign that your body needs attention. When to test. Consider testing if fatigue lasts weeks. You feel weak daily. Symptoms affect work or focus. If fatigue persists for weeks or interferes with daily life, it may be time to consult a healthcare professional for evaluation. Small actions create big change. Start with the basics. Hydration, sleep hygiene, balanced meals, stress management, and if needed, seek medical guidance for proper testing. You deserve steady energy. Your body was designed for sustainable energy, not constant burnout. Listening early makes a difference. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Wellth Simplified for practical, easy-to-understand health education every week. If low iron stood out to you, I recommend watching my video on symptoms women often ignore. It breaks this down in more detail. And if you're new here, subscribe to Wellth Simplified for practical, easy-to-understand health education every week.